Do you want to make more money without working extra hours at your 9 to 5? What if you could start a side hustle that brings in extra income every month without burning yourself out? In this video, we'll dive into the top 8 side hustles to increase monthly income. These are practical, simple ideas that anyone can start, whether you're looking to make some extra cash or even build a new income stream. With the right hustle, you can increase your income without sacrificing all your free time. Let's get started. 1. AI social media content creation. Let's kick things off with AI social media content creation, a side hustle that's been exploding in popularity lately. With AI tools, businesses can now create high-quality content faster and cheaper than ever before. As an AI content creator, you'll be helping businesses generate everything from video scripts to captions and images that boost their social media presence. What's great about this side hustle is that AI allows you to automate a large part of the content creation process. This means you can produce more content in less time, which is perfect for working from home or on the go. Many small businesses are turning to AI creators to help them maintain a strong social media presence without the need for traditional marketing agencies. You can easily start offering your services and work with multiple clients, increasing your monthly income as demand grows. The more clients you work with, the more income you can generate, and as businesses realize the power of AI-assisted content, your opportunities to scale will expand. Whether you're creating content for small businesses or personal brands, this is a flexible hustle with long-term potential. 2. LinkedIn profile management. Next up is LinkedIn profile management, which is a side hustle that's often overlooked but can provide steady income for those with strong writing and networking skills. Many business owners and professionals don't have the time or expertise to keep their LinkedIn profiles fresh, active, and engaging. That's where you come in. You can help clients with profile optimization, writing engaging posts, and maintaining active connections that help them grow their personal brand. With LinkedIn being a primary platform for networking and business connections, your expertise can really make an impact. You'll be writing professional posts, engaging with comments, and making sure their profiles are optimized for search. By taking care of this for them, you'll be providing valuable assistance that allows them to build their professional network and gain leads. Many clients are happy to pay you a monthly retainer for ongoing management. This means you get consistent income without having to start fresh with new projects every month. 3. User-generated content (UGC). One of the fastest growing side hustles in 2026 is user-generated content (UGC). You might think you need a huge social media following to get paid for content, but that's not the case anymore. Brands are looking for real, authentic content creators who can shoot honest product reviews or unboxing videos using their smartphones, and they'll pay you for it. What's great about UGC is that you don't need to be a professional influencer to make money. Whether you're reviewing a new gadget or sharing your experience with a beauty product, brands are eager to use real customer content for their ads. This means you can get started with nothing more than your phone and creativity. As the brand uses your content for social media ads, you'll be earning a good chunk of change every time they use your video or post. Even better, since UGC is about authenticity, you don't need a perfectly curated Instagram account or tons of followers to get started. Brands pay creators based on the quality of the content, not how many people follow them. As you gain experience, you'll find more companies reaching out, and your earning potential will only increase. 4. Niche online tutoring. If you have a specialized skill or knowledge, niche online tutoring could be a great side hustle for you. There's a growing demand for tutoring in areas like coding, AI, data analysis, and even niche languages. Sites like Preply and Tutorful allow you to create a profile, set your rates, and teach students from all around the world. You can charge anywhere from $15 to $50 per hour, or even more depending on your expertise and the subject you teach. Online tutoring is flexible, allowing you to work at your own pace and choose who you want to tutor. What makes this hustle even more appealing is that you can teach on your own schedule. Whether it's one-on-one lessons or group classes, the potential for earning more grows as you get more students. 5. Low-content digital products. Now, let's talk about low-content digital products, one of the easiest side hustles you can start with little upfront investment. This hustle involves creating and selling digital products like templates, planners, budget trackers, or even digital art. You can create and sell these on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify, all with minimal effort and no inventory. Once you've created a product, you can sell it endlessly, earning money on autopilot with minimal effort. No shipping, no inventory management, just a one-time effort that leads to ongoing income. Platforms like Etsy already have built-in audiences searching for these types of products, so you don't have to start from scratch. Once the product is created, you can keep earning from it for months or even years to come. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income, especially if you continue to create new products and update your offerings. 6. Web design for local businesses. Many local businesses still don't have a modern, mobile-friendly website. That's where you come in with your web design skills. Thanks to AI-powered site builders, you can now create professional websites faster and cheaper than ever before, even if you don't have a technical background. Tools like Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress allow you to design and launch websites in no time, making this a highly scalable side hustle. Local businesses are eager to have responsive, professional-looking websites, but many can't afford to hire large agencies. That's where you come in, offering affordable web design services that help them attract more customers. You can charge a one-time fee for the website or offer ongoing maintenance for a monthly retainer. Even if you're just starting, AI tools make the design process quick and efficient, allowing you to create stunning websites that meet the needs of small businesses. And as you gain more experience, you can raise your rates and take on more clients. This is a side hustle with great potential for growth. 7. High-end reselling, flipping. If you enjoy hunting for bargains and have an eye for valuable items, consider high-end reselling, flipping. You can find undervalued items at estate sales, thrift stores, or even clearance sections, and then sell them online for a profit. Items like vintage electronics, luxury accessories, and designer clothing often yield the highest profit margins when resold. Platforms like eBay, Poshmark, and Depop are great places to sell these items. You can often buy underpriced goods and resell them for double or triple the price. Plus, you don't need a huge upfront investment, just some knowledge of what's valuable and some research on current trends. The beauty of reselling is that it's scalable. The more you flip, the more you earn. You can start small and build your business, reinvesting the profits into higher value items. Whether you're flipping luxury items or vintage gadgets, there's always room to grow. 8. Remote notary services. Finally, let's talk about remote notary services, an excellent side hustle that's becoming increasingly popular. If you're in a region that allows for electronic notarization, RON, you can notarize documents online from the comfort of your own home. As a remote notary, you'll verify legal documents over video calls and earn significantly more than traditional in-person notaries. Once you're commissioned as a notary, you can charge clients for notarizing documents like wills, contracts, and powers of attorney. The best part? You can set your own hours, work remotely, and earn money at your own pace. Depending on your location and the number of documents you handle, this can be a highly lucrative hustle. With the rise of digital legal services, the demand for remote notaries is expected to keep growing. If you're looking for a side hustle that offers flexibility and high earning potential, becoming a remote notary could be a great option. And that's a wrap on the top 8 side hustles to increase monthly income. From AI social media creation to remote notarization, there are plenty of ways you can boost your income without sacrificing your full-time job. These side hustles are perfect for anyone looking to earn extra money or build a business in their spare time. Which side hustle are you excited to start? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on boosting your income and building financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.